POPTube music video podcast app. We're going to review this app. The app is common. It has 1 million plus downloads. And I used to have it, feel like something like 2 years ago. And by that time, I think more than 2 years ago, yeah, by that time actually it had every version. But these days I realized actually I have to pay. Lifetime is $19. Roughly like 20, or you can pay like $10 every month, sorry, every year. It has a free day trial. It's actually a cool app. There is a way it presents videos with like there's a lot of fun video interactions within the app. And if you try to check out what people say about it, me myself, what I wanted to say is actually said by some people in the reviews. Okay, I wanted to really share like with you like 2 or 3 reviews so that you can get an experience of what actually this app is about. Okay, I ended up figuring everything, and I have to say this app is actually way better than YouTube. Actually, I hate the ads, but to be a free app, it's not so bad. It has everything I want for this kind of app. Keep up the good work. Though, as I've said, actually, it's you these days have to pay some money. Okay, you unless maybe you try out the 7 days trial. About the VIP, can you make us be able to adjust the fronting player? This is a very amazing app. It's actually better than YouTube. Some people actually say it's even better than YouTube. My only problem is ad length and the choice of the ads. Okay. Generally, I can say it's worth it to pay for this app. Okay. If you're kind of wondering like if you should pay for this app or not, if you're looking into several reviews of the people who are using this app, actually a lot of people are actually saying yes to this app. It's not just any other app, but it's kind of a good app if you really want to, listen to music without a lot of interruptions. It just actually enhances the whole experience of watching these videos and listening to this music. Okay, so that's what I can say about POPTube. See you in the next video. Okay.